Well, video pic there by Yemi Alid Tombum.
Yemi Alade, don't
Alade.
desire. I'm a
Alade.
good girl. Goody.
Now with me is Chef
Ibi.
Lion, the owner of Veggie Meals on Wheels, and he will be preparing some Ito African food for us this morning.
Yes. It looked good. First of all, it's into calabash. So you know, say it must taste good for it into calabash. Good morning, Ibi.
Yeah, man.
Chef, what up this morning?
Listen. All right, this morning we're featuring a breadfruit stew. Cause you know breadfruit is very,
You
a lot
want
of breadfruit
breadfruit?
now. Yeah, and then the creative way to use it up to make an ital stew.
Okay.
We have some turned cornmeal, polenta, yeah.
Not a polenta, ton
Turned
cornmeal.
cornmeal. Yeah, which is known in East Africa, Ethiopia. Turned cornmeal is a big dish.
Yeah, man, and
because
then
of that grain.
spice it up and put all the raisins.
Spice it up and all that. We do have ackee, 'cause you know Ghana, ackee. Yeah, we have callaloo, 'cause we have to balance it with the greens.
Okay, so what did you just put all of that in?
Yeah, no, well, I'm just doing the stew. So
Okay.
we're gonna put in, I don't know, beetroot, carrot, string bean,
Okra.
okra,
Coconut.
yeah, you have to have the dreadnoughts.
Why are you putting cinnamon leaves in it? Isn't
Cinnamon-
that more like dessertish?
No, cinnamon leaves are antioxidants, so it's good to put in the stew.
Come them say them want you show you what into the calabash, so
Yeah,
them
man.
don't know say it's a suspicious thing. So all of that goes into the pot.
All that goes into the pot. Because you know, ital stew is one of the most nutritious meal because that's everything.
Yeah.
All right.
And after you boil that, what do you add?
After you boil that,
How long should it boil for?
just boil for like 20 minutes. 'Cause you don't want to overdo it.
And how do you season it?
Well,
As
we
I
have
say,
a-
how do you season it? I notice I see some seasoning.
Yeah,
that look
this
like
is
they
a
come-
wholly Vegemese always natural seasoning. Parsley, basil, cumin. So this have to
All
go
natural,
in it.
no
All natural,
additives.
no adjectives.
And you do this by yourself? You
Yeah,
get
we
these?
manufacture this at Vegetables and Wheels.
All right. What's in the bottle? What's this?
That's a turmeric oil.
Oh.
Turmeric
So what you
coconut
do,
oil.
infuse the turmeric into
Infuse
oil?
the turmeric into the oil. And
what kind
have to
of oil?
ferment in the coconut oil.
See there? That is so healthy right there. Healthy coconut oil and then turmeric infused. That must be awesome.
Yeah, so you make that simmer down and then the breadfruit, which is already sauteed in
Okay.
coconut oil,
In the turmeric coconut oil.
in the turmeric coconut oil,
Alright.
will be the last thing to add to it. Because you don't want to put in the breadfruit too early, that it get too
Mushy,
mushy.
mushy,
Right.
mushy.
Just perfect timing.
Okay. And then you just leave that, make that simmer
You
down.
just leave this, make this simmer down. I mean, sometimes we leave the pot open that the kitchen can be.
Smell good.
Yeah.
So
That
what
the neighbor
about
can come over and wonder what is going on. You
what
know?
about coconut milk? Would you add that to your stew, or is that just going to make it too mushy mushy?
No, definitely add the coconut milk, but what we do, we also add the coconut trash itself because some people normally squeeze it and throw it away.
Yeah.
But it,
No
add the trash
waste.
and everything, no waste. Not a lot, you're not all of the trash, but you add some of the trash because
So this is
that's
like a
for you.
one pot quick thing.
And what does the trash add? Like, you add the coconut trash, like the texture. And
Yeah, the trash add to the texture and the presentation. Because when you look on your stew, you want to see.
Thick and nice.
Thick and nice.
Okay, so while we're waiting for that to boil, let's just go through some of the things that we have here. What's this?
This is tempeh.
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 What's tempeh?
Tempeh made from chickpeas and we have the soy tempeh as well.
We have
This is the
the-
package here.
Okay, I don't want
It's a
the
good
soy.
alternative for vegetarian who don't really, I don't know, meat alternative.
Mm-hmm.
And the texture is great. This one is in bami, sauteed in bami.
Okay. And then, what's this?
Those are called yati. A yati is a vegetarian patty.
Patty.
Yati.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know that.
Yeah, so it's an aki yati and a mixed veg yati.
Okay, and these?
All right, these are
Can't turn it too much coming on
man.
turn it over.
this is the combination now with the tonka meal.
Yes.
Yeah, plantain and it's a veggie fritter. This is like 90% vegetables.
So one of these are mine and one I do. See, I have one to do it. I'm not broken. I'm get the bigger one.
And the tempeh is also included in that.
And this is
And that's
Callaloo and
callaloo and ackee. Because you know we can't leave out callaloo, which is good for us, iron, and then ackee.
okay. Well, tell me now where in terms of cooking, we can get to you and you will deliver and everything. We're gonna put your information up and everything will come up on screen. So if you want to get to Ibi, that's how you do it. And he delivers, guys.
No
So-
bone zone.
Yeah, you know,
No
so you
bone
can
zone.
get it. I like it. It's lovely. All right, so I'll forget show you the finished product later, but we are going to go on eating this. Thank you so much for stopping by, Ibi. And I'm having lunch from Ibi today, so I'll tell you exactly how it is. More to come and we can smile.
Vital is vital.
So, oh yeah, eat already. Where you get fuck? Oh.